Welcome to Easy Crochet. Today we're going to learn how to make the Clara ripple blanket. We're going to do the first and second rows, and we're going to use Vanna's Choice Yarn by Lion Brand, which is a medium 4-weight yarn, and I'm going to use the color pistachio and an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And to begin, you're going to chain 14. The pattern is worked in a multiple of 14. So for this example, I'll just do 14. Okay, now that I have 14 chains, I'm going to add 12 more chains to that total. You'll see in the pattern that it's worked in a multiple of 14 plus 12 chains at the end of that multiple. Okay. Now I'm going to start in the third chain from the hook, and I'm going to double crochet. I'm going to double crochet the next 3 stitches. Okay, now in the next stitch I'm going to double crochet 2 times. So right there, 2 times. In the next stitch, we're going to double crochet 2 more times in that same stitch. So you can see we just finished the 2 double crochets, so into the next stitch, 2 more double crochets. Next, you're going to double crochet into the next 4 stitches, once into the next 4 stitches. In the next 2 stitches, you're going to do a double crochet decrease. So yarn over, pull through, insert your hook into the stitch next to it, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2. That's a double crochet decrease. We're going to do that same thing again. So what this is doing is combining 2 stitches to 1. Insert hook, yarn over, pull through, insert hook into next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2. So you did 2 double crochet decreases. Okay, and the next part is double crocheting into the next 4 stitches. And we're going to repeat what we just did. So we're going to double crochet 2 times in the next stitch. We're going to do another 2 times double crochet in the next stitch. This is an increase. You can see the ripple that we're creating. We're going to double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Which takes us to the end. And that's the first row of the ripple. Now we're going to begin row 2, which is what we're going to be doing for the remainder of the Clara blanket. Okay, you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. And we're going to do a double crochet decrease. So yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to double crochet once into each of the next 3 stitches. The next part of the pattern is you need to double crochet 2 times in the next stitch. This creates the top of the ripple. And we're going to repeat that same thing in the next stitch. So double crochet 2 times in the next stitch. Next, you're going to double crochet once into each of the next 4 stitches. You can see that ripple forming nicely. In the next part, we're going to do another double crochet decrease. And this creates the bottom part of the ripple. You're going to double crochet decrease in the next 2 stitches, and then do 4 double crochets in the next 4 stitches like we've done before, and then 2 double crochet increases until you're left with 5 stitches. Now that you're left with 5 stitches, you're going to double crochet once into each of the next 3 stitches. And you're going to end the row with a double crochet decrease in the last 2 stitches. And this is the same pattern you're going to be repeating for the rest of the blanket. Thank you for following along. Be sure to check out the link below where you can find the full patterns in 8 different sizes with full yardage and stitch counts. And I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And be sure to hit the subscribe button.